Hello, my name is Tolu. I'm the founder of Oak Marketing and I'm a Gen X. Welcome to our channel. In this channel, we provide simple and uncomplicated marketing solutions to fellow Gen Xers like myself to help them achieve extraordinary results in their business. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to create that share-worthy post using Canva. Please consider subscribing to our channel and also press the notifications bell so you can be alerted every time we post a new video, which we will be doing very frequently. Without further ado, let's head on to Canva. Okay, here we are in the Canva app, and once you log in, this is the interface you're going to see. I'm not going to go into how to open the create a Canva account. I have a video I did for that, and I'll share the link in the comment section and below. Canva has a lot of pre-made templates that you can customize, change your brand font and your colors and use as your own. But today I'm going to create a template from scratch. And I'm creating a template for my fictitious ice cream shop called Jay's Ice Cream Shop. And to start, I will go to create a design here. Click on it. I want to create an Instagram post for my Jay's Ice Cream Shop. I click on create Instagram post, and it's going to open up onto this canvas that we have here, this blank page here. And on the left side, I have my elements. That is the working tools, so to speak, that I'm going to use inside of Canva. And I'll start with the Elements tab. Click on the Elements tab. I want to work with shapes. I'll click on a shape here. I'll close that so that I can have more space. I'll bring this down. Stretch it to the end. Stretch it to the end of the page. Make sure it's all nicely done there. You can stretch it out just to make sure that it covers the whole of your page. And I'll put it to like the half of the page. Then I begin to rotate this shape. I keep stretching it so it completely fills out the page. And once I'm satisfied, I'm gonna move this down a little bit, just like that. Now I'm going to change the color to my own brand. I have the purple color and the peach color as my brand colors. I change that to this, and to create this next place, I simply duplicate this. Go here, change the color, and move the shape. Make sure it fits nicely. I can zoom so that I'm sure that everything fits nicely. Now, one thing you can do so that this background doesn't disturb your work, I can lock it. Once I've locked it, it stops moving and I won't be able to do anything about it anymore. This can be edited, so it is locked already. Good. Now let's keep designing. I want to add in a text element here now. I click on the text element at the left hand side, click on add a heading. Oh, sorry, I need to unlock before I can put in a text. Okay, so I unlock this. I click on add a heading and I put add my text. Yummy ice cream. I rotate it and I change the font to my own brand font. I want something that is heavy, so I'll choose this. heavy and distinct. I'm going to reduce this font a little bit. Rotate it so that it stays just the way I want. You can use your cursor, your arrow keys, to also rotate and move these elements inside of Canva. Okay, I think this looks nice. Next, I'm going to change the color to go with my brand. I change this to purple. And I simply duplicate this. Change this color to the peach and drag this down. Change the font, change the text. And I will just move it this way. Move it up a little bit. I think that's perfect. I think I'll move this down just like a notch. Good. Okay. So that's the first thing. The next thing, I'm going to grab my logo. I created a logo for Jay's design, Jay's ice cream, and I'll just grab my logo and drop it in here. I'll amend this, reduce it so that it fits nicely into the corner there. There you go. Okay. The next thing we're going to do now is to have fun with it. Let's add some more elements to it. Since I'm selling ice cream, I'm going to search for ice cream and see what Canva has for us. I like this, so I'm going to click on this corner tab and just reduce it a little bit, bring it up here, and just place it right here. Okay. I like this photo. It's transparent background, that's why you don't see anything behind it, and it just suits my purpose perfectly. I'm going to place this, reduce it a little bit more, and place it right here. I'll rotate it a little bit, like this. Good. Okay, still playing with elements. I'm going to add some lines to my design. I like this dotted lines. I'll make it bolder. It will do just fine for me. Great. And then I'll change the color to my brand color, rotate it, make it longer, and I'm going to move it forward a little bit. There you are. I'll duplicate this. You can play with it and have fun as you wish. It's design. Design is always fun. So I put this here, bring it here. It's just as much as your imagination can carry. Okay, this is good. Next, I want to bring in some, I think I'll move this a little bit up and maybe rotate it just a little bit. Yeah, like that. And same thing with this one. Just a little bit. Let's see now. Okay. And then move it up a little bit. Yeah, I think I like that. Okay, good. So I'm going to add a little bit of text to tell them where to find me, so they can come visit my shop. And this time I'm going to use the secondary font. For this one, I have my secondary font as Alata, and I'm going to change the color also to go with my brand. Okay, there you go. I'm gonna keep this here, and I'll duplicate this so I can put my telephone number as well. Okay, I'll make sure that they're on the same line. I press Shift and click on the two icons, and I can go here and group. What that does is that it makes that into one, so it's easy for me to move them without them getting separated or going out of line. Now that's it. Let's take a look and see what it is like. I'll close this so we can see it better. We've put in our logo, we have put in our brand elements. Yes, I think I'm satisfied with this. Now we just have to go to share button and download our beautiful design. We go to share, download. Canva allows you to download as PNG and as JPEG. I'm going to choose PNG in this instance and just download. Let's open to see what it looks like. There you have it. You have your share-worthy Instagram post done in less than 10 minutes. There it is, guys. Your share-worthy Instagram post ready within 15 minutes. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you'll be reminded and alerted when we upload our next interesting video. If you need any help with your social media post, creating your post, deciding on what content to post, feel free to reach out to us either by email or by message or by WhatsApp or by phone call. Our emails, address, contact details are all in our About Us section, and I'll drop it also in the comments box. Until next time, ciao.